If you want to see a more detailed analytics of how your videos are performing inside of your YouTube channel, then you can go under the analytics section right here. And once you go around over here, you can click on see more, or you can click on advanced mode over here as well. And you get to this page right here. If I were to go around, click on see more, then I get onto the same page over here as well. So over here, there are various ways to filter out how to see how your videos are actually performing. For example, from the content section, you can see the views by content, as you can see right here, and see like whether they're being filtered out by subscribers and impression and watch time and so forth, as you can see right here. So you have the control on how to filter out the videos, and you can go around onto filter as well and change them on the basis of different things. Let's say, for example, on the basis of traffic source, on the basis of device type, on the basis of content type like live stream, videos, stories, and so forth, as you can see right here. So once you do that, everything is filtered according to what you have right here. And you can go around, change it to bar chart or line chart over here as well. And choose, let's say, to see everything on a weekly basis, on a monthly basis, on a yearly basis, and so forth over here, just like this. If I were to go around onto traffic source, then you can see different options and see where the traffic are coming from. Let's say, for example, over here you can see that the traffic is coming from channel pages, from browse feature, from playlist page, director unknown, and so forth, as you can see right here. You can filter them out on the basis of geography over here as well, on the basis of cities where the views are coming from. But in my case, this is a new channel, so you're not seeing any details. But in your case, as the viewers increase, you'll be able to see all of the details over here. Similarly, you can go around onto the viewers' age and see which age group the viewers are from over here, and view the viewers' gender over here as well, and get a rough idea on what your viewers are like. You can go around and then see the date over here on when the views are in and so forth, as you can see. Let me just go around onto the daily section, and you can see that this is what you have right here. Similarly, you can go around and filter it out by content type, and in my case, I only have one type of content, that is videos, but you can go around over here and then simply choose whatever you like. I'm just going to go around and let's say filter it by watch hours, and it gets filtered out just like that. You can go around onto the playlist section, and you can see that this is what you have as well. So everything is displayed as per the playlist views and so forth. And you can also filter them out by the type of device type. In my case, everything is viewed from a computer, but you'll see mobile phone and tablet, as many viewers view your content by using those different devices. You can see different YouTube products right over here as well. So you can see whether your views are coming from different products. And you can also see the playback location on where the videos are being played back. Similarly, you can access the more options and see even the operating system which is being used to access your content. You can see, let's say, for example, based on the card right here, as you can see right here, based on end screen element type over here, just like this, and so forth as well. According to the translation that may be used on your video, according to subtitles, as you can see right here. And you can see basically like how these contents are being utilized right here by using this more option right here, just like this. You can also go around and compare to different videos right here, just like this. You can go around and compare out, let's say, one video right here, just like this, and then see the details for those particular videos as well. So that is what you have, as you can see, and you can close out the comparison too as well. And you can also go around and export the current view right here as a Google Sheets, or let's say a comma separated value right here, that is a CSV file. So you can see that you can save this, or you can go around over here and export it as Google Sheets as well, and that will open it out in a new tab right here, just like this, and all of the details are recorded over here, just like this, as you can see. And that is how you can use the see more options in analytics section of YouTube Studio. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.